not my fault you guys are all soft and I'm the only hard one in. Are you a man? Cause that was sad. So what? Only guys can be hard? Since when? Yo, this is 2021. I'm a full-bodied able woman, right? For breeding. Just kidding. Please don't kick me out. I didn't mean that. But what I mean is, I'm a woman here in 2021. And yes, I can be hard. Why must everything you say be so questionable? Want to see something cool? I learned that I can I learned that I can do that. So we have Crash and his fiance, right? And they're getting married and like they're popular racers. Super popular racers. But as you can see, the wife is kind of side-eyeing Crash. Like she knows something. She knows something that Crash doesn't. Oh, it's his sister. Oh, that's...